Each lifetime is a marriage with the body. What is birth? It is marriage of the soul and the body. Big claps for that marriage. बार बार जन्म ले, हजारों बार जन्म ले, जितने बार आप जन्म लेंगे उतना ही आपका उद्धार होगा. We are not here to end the lifetimes, my dear friends. Lifetimes are forever. Soul is forever and lifetimes are forever. जोरदार से चप्पाले for his lifetimes. बार बार जन्म ले, हजार बार जन्म ले. Every lifetime is a glorious marriage of the soul and the matter. What a beautiful thing that is. Those people who cannot get the matter, another body, they know the value of the matter and the body and another janma. When we go to the other side, we hanker for this side. We yield for this side. Because this life of marriage, of the soul stuff with the matter stuff, has got infinite variety of emotions here. These emotions are not available in Satyaloka. Only stupid Shantam is there. No thrill. All thrills are in marriage. Let us give a big clap for marriage. The soul wants marriage with the matter. The matter is sacred. The matter is more sacred than the soul. Soul by itself is sannyas. Soul plus matter is samsara. This is not Maya. This is the purpose of the soul. Whoever declares this as Maya is not a Buddha. We want more and more so-called inverted commas Maya. We want so many more number of times of being born in the body, becoming one with the body, my dear friends. The atoms and the molecules are wonderful things. The Prakriti is a wonderful thing. Purusha is soul, matter is Prakriti. Purusha, Prakriti together. Is it Maya? Who told it is Maya? In the dictionary of pyramid spiritual socialist movement, there is no inverted commas Maya. There is pure thrill, joy, abundance, ananda, pleasure, ananda, pleasure, ananda, and learning. The soul cannot learn without coming into contact with the matter. First it should involve, then it should evolve. Without involving, where is the question of evolution? Vairagyamu, non-attachment, Tamalaka mida niti pottudaga. What stupid things. That is not enlightenment. The more pleasure that you can squeeze from the matter, the more enlightened you are. The more you can dance, the more enlightened you are. The more you can sing and play sitar like our Sanjay Kingi, the more enlightened you are. The better jalebi rasgulla you can make and eat, the more enlightened you are. Give a big clap for jalebi and rasgulla. And mirchi bhaji. And gongura pachadi. Kottimira pachadi. My heart goes out for koparkai pachadi. बार बार जन्म ले, हजार बार जन्म ले, गुत्ती वंकाय कोर के लिए, कोतमीर पचड़ी के लिए, रसगुल्ला के लिए, और संजय किंगी का सितार के लिए, गणेश जी का वायलिन जी के लिए, एल्ला वेंकटेश्वर का मृदंगम के लिए. Yesterday, what was, how great it was. Let us give a big clap to yesterday's great music. बार बार जन्म ले, हजार बार जन्म ले, जन्म के बाद जन्म, जन्म के बाद जन्म, बार बार जन्म. जन्म मीन्स विवाह. टुडे इज माय विवाह डे. Meditation and marriage, they're all one and same. Now, having come into Janma, when you do meditation, it is another marriage with your own self, with the self. Kya baat hai? The story goes like this. Marriage in marriage in marriage in marriage, marriage. Like story in a story in a story in a story. Everything is marriage. What is Nada Yoga? Marriage of the soul and the sound. What a beautiful thing it is. What is Hatha Yoga? Marriage of the soul with the body. What is Jnana Yoga? Marriage of the soul with the knowledge. What is Bhakti Yoga? Marriage of a lesser soul with a greater soul. Marriage. Bhakti Yoga. Marriage of Radha with Krishna, marriage of a lesser soul with a higher soul. Karma Yoga, marriage of the soul with the action. What is yoga? Marriage. Union. Yunjate iti yoga ha. When two things unite, is it not marriage? Give a big clap for marriage. Don't underestimate marriage, and you can never overestimate marriage. When you come down into a body, it is also a marriage with suffering. What a beautiful thing it is. In the Srishti, in the creation, there is only marriage and marriage and marriage and marriage and marriage and marriage with ananda, marriage with suffering. In the beginning, you are married to ignorance. Ignorance is bliss. If you are not married to ignorance, that bliss would not be there for you. Ignorance is bliss. If ignorance is bliss, you want ignorance because you want bliss. Being married to ignorance is involution of the soul. Being married to knowledge is evolution of the soul. We want both marriages, yeah. The whole creation hankers for marriage. All pyramid masters are married to each other here in PSSM. That's why you have come here. No? We all want to unite with each other, What is that union? Is it not marriage? There is no Maya. There is only beautiful anubhava, beautiful experience, beautiful emotion. When you are one with the sun in the morning, when you are one with the sun in the evening, when you are one with the moon in the full moon, when you are one with the tide of the ocean, when you are one with the chirping of the birds, when you are one with a baby's laugh, a baby's cry, is it not union? We are not for Vairagya. We are for Vaibhoga. That is pyramid spiritual society. Last moment. Meditation is not Vairagya, my dear friend. Meditation is great Vaibhoga, great union. That's why we are going to meditation. You know, Dhyana Yoga is the greatest Vaibhoga. The marriage of the self with the self, for the self of the self. Yeah. अरे बाबा बार बार ध्यान में घुस जावे, बार बार वैभोग में फंस जावे, तो उससे भी ज्यादा क्या चाहिए इस आत्मा के लिए? When you have become enlightened, when you have achieved Buddhahood, what does it mean? It means you have achieved oneness with the whole creation. Isn't it the ultimate Vaibhoga? Ultimate union? That's why we have kept him there and we are celebrating that highest achievement, highest Vaibhoga, highest Vivaha. Highest, today is my marriage day, Swamiji. How many lifetimes you are not married to how many people? A marriage is not a bond. A marriage is should be a great freedom. Where marriage is a bond, that is not a marriage. Where marriage is freedom, that is marriage. Freedom to unite with whatever you want to at any given time. Times change and emotions change, and a person who does not flow with the change is not enlightened. Today I want mirpakai bhaji, tomorrow I don't want it. If you put tomorrow that mirchi bhaji into my mouth, I will not like it. Taste for union changes. You should change. Change the law of life. You have to flow with the change. That is Taoism. Great master Lao Tzu, give a big clap to Lao Tzu. Union with the change. Do you want your 2-year-old child to remain like that? Do you like it? If it's just like that, you are worried. Why is not growing? Why is not changing? You are worried. We want change. And change is the law of life. And if you are not one with the law of life, you are suffering. Become one with the law of life, it is called a change. Everything is changing. But you are stuck up in some fossil ideas. Everything is constantly changing. When you are one with that constant change, you are a Buddha, not otherwise. Your mom dies. She goes to the higher world. Why are you suffering? Why are you not accepting that change? Why are you not one with that change? Why are you depressed? One day, one fellow was crying because his mother died. Crying because mother died. One yogi was there. He asked the fellow, why you are crying? He said, my mother died. Then the yogi said, your mother did not die. The eyes with which you can see your mother now, they are dead. Your third eye is dead. Your mother is not dead, stupid fellow. Activate your third eye. Bring back your mother to life. Activate your third eye. जीते जी उधर का भी देखना, that is enlightenment. You don't lose anything. You don't miss anybody. Huh? There is no death. And all souls are organically one. Huh? Like all fingers are organically one here. They're not. Are the fingers separate? Are they parts of one single unit called as the body? Tell me. Are the fingers separate, or are the leaves, they are separate, or are they all part of one unit called as the tree? All the trees, are they separate, or are they one single parts of one single unit called as the earth? Are we separate? We are all organically one. Like the fingers of the hand, like the hands of the body, like the leaves of the tree, like the trees of the earth. All souls are one, organically one. Vairagya is not the message of enlightenment. Vairagya is not the message of meditation. Vairagya is not the message of spiritual science. Vaibhoga, union after union after union after union after union after vivaha after vivaha after बार बार विवाह, बार बार union, बार बार जन्म दे, हर चीज से जन्म दे, हर चीज से एकता पावें, हर चीज में समा जावें. That is. Become one with the change. My black daddy hair became white daddy. What a beautiful thing it is. Should I put some color here? My youthful body became crimpled. What a beautiful old lady you can see. Very beautiful. Old age is beautiful. Who told it is ugly? Who told? Who told white hair is ugly? Who told? Is it real white or black? Don't be ashamed of your body. Is your body something to be ashamed of or something to be proud of, my dear? Tell me. Huh? Then you are not inferior to anybody, nor are superior to anybody. Change is not from inferior to superior. Change is from one glory to another glory. From youth to old. Old is glory. From young to youth. From baby to child. What is glory? Which is not glory? Tell me. When you are one with the constant change that is happening both in you and inside you and outside you, you are a Buddha. Huh? Why anybody is resisting change? Why they are not flowing with the change? Learn to flow with the nature. You are also nature. Things happen, change happens here. Become one with the change. मुझे गुस्सा आ गया. Only one thing is wrong. All else is right. What is that one thing which is wrong? Killing animals, killing birds, killing fish. How can you kill? What right have you got to kill? That is the only thing which is wrong. Never kill. And never kill yourself. If you are not murdering any life, and if you are not murdering your own body, you are enlightened. That's all. Whether you do meditation or not, whether you have sitar or not, okay. Whether you have good voice or not, today I don't have my voice. Celebrate it. After 20 years, we all become old. All of the people. Yes or no? We all become. Why not? Why not? Change is a welcome thing for all Buddhas. We want change. Buddham Sharanam Gacchami means change Sharanam Gacchami. That is what is Buddham Sharanam Gacchami. Change Sharanam Gacchami. Badlav Sharanam Gacchami. Marpu Sharanam Gacchami. Difference Sharanam Gacchami.